Welcome to the world of Hytera DMR. Hytera DMR Introduction. Digital Mobile Radio, or abbreviated as DMR, is an open digital radio standard developed by the ETSI organization, specified for professional mobile radio users across the world. Benefiting from the two slots TDMA technology, DMR enjoys features that analog technology doesn't support or has difficulties implementing, such as higher spectrum efficiency, longer battery life, superior audio performance, flexible voice and data application. One of the principal benefits of DMR is that it enables a single 12.5 kHz channel to support two simultaneous and independent calls. The DMR is backward compatible to legacy analog 12.5 kHz system. Both can exist in the same allocated spectrum, which means there is no need for rebanding or relicensing, and at the same time doubling the capacity of your channel when operated in the new DMR system. Furthermore, there is no need for extra RF supporting equipment, and you can keep the legacy analog system. For a two slots TDMA system, each call uses only one of the two available time slots. It, therefore, draws only half the amount of energy from the battery cell. This translates to a saving of up to 40% of battery life when compared with legacy analog or FDMA systems. With the combined application of low-rate codec and digital error correction technologies, DMR products give you superior voice performance compared with analog systems. It provides crystal clear audio quality even to the edge of coverage, which gives an impression that the caller is close by and greatly improves user experience. For example,
This is analog transmission number 4 in the sequence. This is P25 digital transmission number 4 in the sequence.
having two slots in one 12.5 kHz channel offers the flexibility of supporting voice on slot 1, while slot 2 can be simultaneously used for advanced control features such as priority calls, call interrupt, or simply an additional voice channel. FDMA systems cannot deliver similar features, since they are limited to one function per 6.25 kHz channel spacing. DMR also extends traditional audio improvement to data channel, thus allowing more data applications to be integrated with DMR system. As DMR is an ETSI open standard backed by multiple manufacturers, and the products have been purchased for use in public security, public utility, enterprises and businesses of more than 100 countries. DMR is the leading digital technology in analog to digital migration for professional mobile radios worldwide. Hytera, as a Category 1 member of the DMR Association, has developed a complete series of DMR products complying with ETSI DMR Tier 1, Tier 2, and Tier 3 standard. Hytera DMR portfolio includes portable radios, mobile radios, repeaters, covert radios, ATEX 2C compliant radios, trunking systems, application software, and special accessories. Hytera DMR products are distinguished by various advanced applications and innovative features. Hytera DMR products adopt an ergonomic design for ease of operation While ensuring high reliability, some of the designs are patented globally. The large TFT LCD display allows good visibility even under strong outdoor light. The user-friendly interface greatly facilitates operation, and the same UI style in portable and mobile radios helps operators to be familiar with the operation on different radios easily. The channel knob and voice knob of different sizes are separated by the antenna, which reduces misoperation when with gloves on or in areas where operation is performed without having to look at the radio. Likewise, unique knob designs are also applied to mobile radios and repeaters. The channel knob and voice knob of the mobile radio are integrated into one knob. For repeaters, the big navigation knob makes the operation much easier. The standardized 2RU 19-inch rack mount design of the repeater makes it easy to be mounted. The integrated LED panel with LCD display, knobs, and speaker facilitate easy repeater commissioning. The one-screw design also improves access to the interior of the repeater to install the duplexer. The exclusion of the internal cooling fan also ensures that there is less dust accumulation inside the repeater, which can cause static discharge during hot and dry weather and potentially can put a repeater on hang mode. The UHF antenna of 70 MHz bandwidth is a mere 95 mm, but it has performance that's equivalent to a 140 mm antenna. This dual-band UHF and GPS antenna has a perfect isotropic radiation pattern. Mounting this in the center of the chassis enhances its performance, providing an omnidirectional radiation pattern for both UHF and GPS signals. Hytera X1 is the world's thinnest full-power radio in a compact 18mm body with power output of 4 watts and 5 watts for UHF and VHF respectively. The adoption of an all-round metal chassis design allows heat to be dissipated to the atmosphere instead of being contained within the radio. The small size of the X1 also comes with the same rugged specification of its PD-78X Big Brother, which means it will still adhere to the American military standards and IP67 rating. In today's fast-changing world, the market requires products that are suitable for all types of users, be it construction workers, professional users, utilities workers, hospitals assistants, firemen, or prison guards. They all deserve the best, and all Hytera DMR radios are built with this high specification of being waterproof to IP67 and compliant to American military standards. In addition to sleek industrial designs, Hytera DMR terminals are rich with various advanced functions. The terminals support Hytera-owned pseudo-trunking, which provides not only 2 talk channels in direct mode operations, but also maximizes the frequency utilizations by allowing users access to empty slots instead of using slot allotment that DMR standard uses over repeater mode. To expand the coverage, Hytera had taken pseudo-trunking further by providing repeater mode and IP mode pseudo-trunking. In addition, these terminals are interoperable with other ETSI Tier 2 devices without the need to flip any switch or change any parameters. When 4 Hytera terminals are in use, it can be programmed to have 2 talk channels operating on the same frequency with total independence of each other. When DMR radios of different manufacturers are present with Hytera radios will automatically revert back to single direct mode talk path. Besides the intrinsic encryption of the digital technology, Hytera DMR products provide enhanced encryption up to 256-bit to secure your communication. Efficient channel utilizations come with a price. The channel is always busy. Thus, in some usage instance, it is necessary to be able to provide a clear communication channel to certain predefined key users. Hytera DMR innovation supports this by allowing certain predefined key personnel or users to effectively and temporarily interrupt the current communication channels and release the channel resources occupied in order to make an emergency broadcast. To facilitate migration, Hytera DMR radios support multi-mode functions. For example, in the conventional mode, Hytera DMR radio supports ETSI DMR Tier 2 digital mode and at the same time automatically switches to analog mode when it needs to communicate back to existing legacy analog radios. Hytera DMR radios also provide software support to 5-tone DTMF and NDC 1200 when operating in analog mode. Hytera radios can be further upgraded to support DMR Tier 3 trunking. It can also be upgraded to support MPT 1327 analog trunking. In other words, the Hytera DMR can be powered up to support analog MPT trunking or through menu selections to support DMR Tier 3 trunking without the need to plug in option boards and pay high implementation fees. In today's ever-changing international community, a sudden change in government policy, such as embargo, would cripple certain large network users by preventing procurement of new equipment. Hytera is sensitive to this probability and ensures that all Hytera DMR products support dual AMBE++ and SELP low rates vocoders. The modular design of the repeaters not only allows for its outstanding heat dissipation and intelligent access management, but also for flexible networking. Currently, Hytera IP multi-site connection solution supports up to 30 repeaters connected in the same IP network to create a wide range of communication coverage. In addition, with proper repeater IP multi-site access management table configured in each repeater, it provides further enhancement on the IP site connect, such as allowing multiple groups of sub-IP networks for voice or data to be transmitted only within specific sub-IP networks, and remaining channel resources for repeaters outside the sub-IP networks, improving wide area channel efficiency. Hytera repeater mode diagnostic and control application, namely RDAC, allows the operator to monitor and control Hytera DMR repeaters connected locally or via IP network within an IP site connect network. RDAC provides the operator with great convenience, such as monitoring and managing the system wherever you are, allowing quick response to any problem in the repeater network, remote configuring equipment parameters in certain circumstances without going to the field. Back-to-back repeater solution provides 100% analog to digital communication. With this solution, the digital radios do not need to scan back to analog mode in order to receive an analog voice call, and the users can still experience the digital audio quality. Besides all the features addressed, Hytera DMR products also secure you the regular functions, such as multi-language, text message, GPS, telemetry, telephone interconnect, man down, and vibration. digital technology, DMR radio extends its capability from traditional audio communication features into data communication features. Together with the IP-based technology, it brings you enriched data applications and eventually a new digital era. This exciting capability is brought to us by the Open Standard API. Hytera DMR radios, both subscriber and repeater, allow application partners to develop software and option board applications. Here are some of our applications. 1. Indoor and outdoor positioning application. Track people, vehicles or assets, and perform location-based services with these location information, such as geofencing and speed control. 2. Voice and data dispatching application. To dispatch individual or group of users via voice or text messages for task assignment, communication or emergency handling. Combining position services. The application will increase the efficiency of your dispatching operations. 3. Alarm management. Monitor the alarm signals and dispatch the alarm to other propagation channels such as radios, GSM phones, and emails according to your needs. 4. Patrolling management. Monitor and manage your patrolling operation by control checkpoint tracking, path tracking, and attentiveness management. 5. Telemetry. Monitor the alarm source or signal source. It can also be used for control of lights, gates, sound, or other technical installations. Telemetry is perfect for security and surveillance, and container and vehicle fleet monitoring. 6. Data transfer application. Transfer data, image, text file, or others to, from operators who are either in remote areas or in locations where weather or other conditions make the use of alternative telecommunications network impossible. Option board is another way to extend the capability of Hytera DMR radios. Through option board, customers are allowed to use their own encryption algorithm for their high security and privacy needs. Option board also allows voice recording on the board and playback later. We can also add additional connectivity modules to Hytera DMR radio through option board. For example, RFID and Bluetooth. With these applications, it adds value to you by improving your productivity, protecting your assets, and increasing the efficiency and effectiveness of your organization's management and operations. Since launched in 2010, Hytera DMR products have been used and recognized by global customers, including government, public safety, utility, enterprises, and business. To keep you always at the frontier of technology advancement, Hytera never stops innovating. Please stay tuned for more releases coming up soon. Super Repeater, Backpack Repeater, Keypad Covert Radio, and ATEX 2C Radio. Advanced digital technology, innovative ergonomic design, rich applications and solutions, complete product portfolio. Hytera DMR. Digital value is here.